there, quilting friends, it's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and we are doing month 8, the August block for the 2024 9-patch block of the month. If you're new around here, go down to the description, you'll get all the details, and for those of you watching and sewing along, let's get started. So we have all our pieces cut, and we're doing the square in a square block. So we've done the square in a square block before. We've done it here. We've done it, let's see, here. And now we're just doing a bunch of them. We're going to do them in 2 different colors. So same thing as before, line this up in a corner. You can either draw a line or use your diagonal seam tape to be able to sew these. And we're going to sew 2 opposite corners, and then once we've sewn the 2 opposite corners, then cut, press, and sew the other corners. You can do one set, so like the background center and then the colored center, or the color center and then the background center, or you can just do them all at the same time. But if you're doing them all at the same time, make sure that you are pairing opposite colors and you don't accidentally put the same color. It should be pretty obvious and easy to do, or pretty obvious and easy not to mix up, but depending on what fabrics you have picked, it might be less obvious. So we're just going to go ahead and sew 2 sides on all of them, and then we're going to cut and press. We have all these sewn, and now we can cut. And we can cut a bunch at the same time. All I'm doing is aligning, so I line this first one up, top and bottom with the line on the mat, and then this is getting lined up with this line, and then the mat, and I do that all the way up. And I should be able to even cut through all of them if I can fit them on this little mat. You do want to be careful though, because it can get a little thick, and if fabric gets really thick, then it can shift, and you don't want to ruin it because your goal was to go fast and then you ruined it, and then you ended up having to redo it. That really defeats the purpose of trying to go fast. Okay. See if we can spin this around. There we go. And now I should be able to just cut the other side. All right, now all of these can be pressed out. So now we can sew the other 2 corners on each of these. Okay, we have all our blocks done. We did 2 points, then we did the other 2 points. Everything has been pressed towards the points, and now we can put our blocks together, or our block together from all these units. We're going to lay out the block. And then just like always with these 9-patch blocks, we're going to sew 2 into a pair, 2 into a pair, 2 into a pair, and then we're going to add the 3rd one on each. And that's going to, that'll make our rows, and then we're going to sew our rows together, and that'll make our block. The rows are going to be press in, press out, press in, although you could do it the other way and it really wouldn't matter. There's a lot of bulk in these seams. There's a lot of seams going on. And then if you can, you want to line up this point and the point on the other side to try to get really pretty points. But If it's not perfect, that'll also be okay. I'm switching to my 1/4 inch foot here for piecing everything together. All right, we have our rose pressed, and I love that you can already see that it's kind of got this star shape with a frame around it. It's got this really fun secondary design once you put all these together. So now we're going to put our rose together, and then our block will be all done. These seams we're going to go ahead and press out, because when you don't really know which way to press your seams, just press them towards the outer edges of your block. Now with this block, we could have also pressed our seams open, but we've been pressing to the side this whole time, so we're just going to keep this block pressed to the side as well. I love how this block turned out. We're going to go ahead and put it with the others, and you are going to make sure that you have given this video a thumbs up, that you are subscribed, and then hop down to the comments and let me know what you think of this block. And I just want to thank you for joining me. Friends, I've got a lot more videos coming your way, and I've got a lot on this channel, so feel free to look around and see if you can find some more videos that I think you'll enjoy, and I'll see you right here real soon. Bye for now.